I thought of let me do a key level options in English level English version also. So I have marked here the key levels which where you need to take the trade. If you want to go for a sell option, you need to go for 14,908. Make sure the candle has to given to break below than this key level, then only you need to go for a sell option. And make sure the first target it's going to be 14,864, and the second target will be 14,831, and the third target will be 14,785. Sorry. And the last fourth target I had given 14,748. So which is very crucial point over here, when day before yesterday also, on 31st March also it was touched and got nice support over there, so it couldn't move below than that, so it's going to be a crucial one for the below. So if the target has touched in 14,743, make sure you close your position with with your profit. Don't expect much more down below than this rate. And the same way in the upside also I had given key levels, and if it goes 14,974 above, and make sure your first target 15,003, and second target 15,036, and the top target 15,095. You just make sure. Okay, and make sure you need to make sure you need to get a 2 candle more than this key level, then only you need to go for a certain option which I had given to you. And as for the global cues, what it says, it's going to be a mixed negative and a positive is there. Like Nasdaq has positive by 2%, and the SGX Nifty it's almost 0.9% minus. So I am expecting it's going to be a flat market on Monday. So make sure if you are trading, if the market going in between these two levels, don't take any trade, so which will end up with the loss only. Okay, I'll tell you which are the option I'm going to take in the Zerodha. So here I have taken options. If it's Nifty goes down below than 14,980, so I'll buy 14,550 put option. I'll buy this one, and I'll wait for a first target. If I get the confirmation candle again, so I'll wait for the second one, and if I got the confirmation again, I'll wait for third one. And still if I'm getting the good point, good confirmation candle, then I'll wait for a fourth one. And the same time till go to the fourth level, so I'll make sure initially as soon as it goes down, so I'll make sure my stop loss will be 14,936. As soon as it goes down, I'll degrade that stop loss. As soon as it's go to the second target, I'll make sure first target will be my stop loss, and as soon as it goes to third target, I'll make sure my stop loss will be second target, and I'll increase. And in case if it's reached the third target, I'll close my position, I'll take my profits. And the same way I'll take care of that, I'll see the upside also. So this is my first target. Here I'm taking, if the market goes up, so I'll buy 15,100 call option. I think it's better to 15,500. I'll buy 15. I'll go for 15,200 call option. Same way as I told you, if it reaches first target, I'll make sure my stop loss here, and if it's sustained here and it's finding difficulties to break this level, so as soon as I'll close my position, I'll go off from the options. So that is what we are able to see in the options also. In 15,200 we have 30,000 call option has been written, and there are a lot of call option has been closed also. In the same way, here I have taken 14,550, so 14,550 here also. It's people written very less number of call options, which means it's may market may go in between 14,550 to 15,200. So that is as per the market says, but I think in my observation the market move around in between 15,000 to 14,865, and make sure you don't take any trade in between these two levels. Okay, thank you. If you find good details about this video, please subscribe, like the video, and comment below your suggestions, and ask your friends to subscribe the video. Thank you.